friends! Welcome to Cheryl's world! Today we're going to be opening a baby! Come on, let's open it! Do you know what her name is? It's Mia! Mealtime Magic Mia! Look at her pink bow and a pink dress and the heart's white. She looks so cute. When the food is yummy, she says yummy. When the food is sour, she says sour. When the food is yucky, she says yucky. Let's open it and see what she does. Wow, she looks so cute. She looks like a bubble girl. Look at the food, it's grapes. And it's so beautiful. See the spoon. See, when I tickle her, she laughs. What food do you want? This, like this, and this. Now, sleep, my baby. You get dreams in your dreams. Cheryl will come. Cheryl will come and feed you. Wake up, wake up. Mia, wake up. She woke up. Nice. How are you enjoying the sleep? Over. Is it yummy? I made orange juice. Go to sleep, my baby. You can sweet dreams all the day. Go to sleep, babies. She woke up. Zero. Laugh, 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 laugh. Mommy baby, Curly baby. I love my baby so much. I'm gonna put her to sleep now. It's Mama! No, Mama, it's Cheryl. Mama, Mushy. Mushy! That means she needs food. Yum. Baby, now are you still hungry? Blueberry, lemonade, grape, carrot. Choo-choo. Open your mouth. To eat cream. Meet the sea. There's a river full of memories. Sweet, my darling, safe and sound. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.